Dealerships are known for giving vehicle owners less than what is deserved for their vehicle when traded in. Selling privately is the best way to get the full value for your vehicle that vehicle owners deserve, and Facebook Marketplace is a great resource to use in doing so. In the past, I have sold my four-wheeler, snowmobile, and my biggest sale being my previous pickup truck. At the dealership, I was offered $2,000, and in the end, I sold it for $5,200 on Marketplace. When selling your vehicle on Facebook Marketplace, it is essential to log on, create a detailed post, and have the correct selling price to maximize your revenue. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes to complete and is simple and profitable to do so. So, the first step is to go to Google and search for Facebook. Click on the link and log in if you're not already. Then you'll go to the top bar and click the Marketplace icon. After that, you will go down to the left side and click Create New Listing. And then we will choose the best option for us, which is Vehicle for Sale. Once you come to the point where you can create your post, you need to determine your selling price. And in order to do that, you can enter the price in the box here of the price you want to sell your vehicle for if you know already. But if you don't know, we can go to Kelley Blue Book, which you can find on Google, to help you determine your best value for your vehicle. So you will enter your information for your vehicle and enter your style and press select your options, and you're going to select all the options that your vehicle has in order to get a more realistic price for your vehicle. Select the color and press next. And then you will select get your trade-in and private party values. Choose your vehicle's overall condition, and it will calculate the values for you. Then you will select private party value, and you can see here it gives you a price range of what your vehicle is worth in your area. So then we'll use this price. We'll go back to Facebook, and we will enter this price into our box. After completing the steps to lead you to create a new listing and determining your price, it is now time to make the post that will be seen by potential buyers. So next, you want to start entering information about your vehicle, which I went ahead and already did. And so you just go down the side and enter your vehicle type, and you will enter other information like your year, make, model, trim level, and mileage. And then you will see your price here, and you can see Facebook uses Kelley Blue Book here to show you your price range. And you'll enter all your body styles, colors, and then your condition. And you will have a short description about your vehicle, making sure to talk about the key points and any problems the truck may have and any contact information if you need any. And then back to the top, you will upload up to 20 pictures kind of showing the key points of the truck and an overall picture of what buyers would want to see in a post. And then you can see this is the box where you can see a preview of your ad for what the buyers will see when they are in Marketplace. And then after that, you will press next. And then you will put in your general location. And you press next again. And we are going to list this publicly on Marketplace. So you'll press Marketplace and select that. But if you're part of a group that you want to sell it to, like these groups here, you can select those as well. And then once you have anything selected, you can press publish your post. Once published, you get to enjoy the next step of eagerly waiting for buyers to contact you. When you are all finished, you have created a login account to use Marketplace if you didn't have one already. Use Kelley Blue Book to estimate what your vehicle should be worth and list it for sale on one of the most popular selling platforms on the internet today. After completing these steps in the proper order, you will maximize your potential profit on your vehicle. It can be intimidating to go about this task, but when you walk through the process that takes little time to do, you will have earned yourself more money now than the dealership could ever give you for your vehicle because you have removed the middleman from the process. Dealerships are always on the lookout to make a quick buck, and they want your vehicle to do so. But remember that you always know what is best for yourself when it comes down to the final dollar.